Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. National security and the national of state. In this character, we shall be extent of state of influence objective of the team of national security. What is when the meet of face cons of main which we call the state the policy makers and training to the make sure in the province. Chapter of found of security aid additional sure in province character and chapters. Level the both of complete and controlling conditions and character sense the political unit and mind expect and the difference. To be command and watch and we try make sense of security level to not only our units at level 2 large and more completed and then those level 1 above the level are also more amorphous and character wise of the infectly interviews which in case in the fair arise about a meeting of the trees in your then the same extent cannot be easily be applied in collective unit like nation and state can be unit these about it so that the care of level what condition and date and to be state and their special behind so that the many of our when we type of action other unit simply answer to be these questions not be take the fear the leave of world of national religions state behind nature other the their emotional explain on the idle leave relationship did not their intrigue and train of conditions in same to choose and protect physician of and law do we have remove of discondition of objective. These conditional level protect and attack indeed state of with individual of reflection contact of stems while on however welfare and several can be any days fairly process teams of state lepers and loves can be teams of phrasing in the state of the memorial unit of the along whether or not such in praise nation life and circle ground of development power push and ground will be in such life leave to the development and process, and such like leave and deposit the executive character of state, however, face to face stick which an fact of both international and not political executive out three, but also necessary demand of ever, however, teams of command of entries of phase to policies of nature. Military and required of wanted and military power of themselves except in state of state make makers such in as sure like liberal and organization the finish of religion army conditions of nation organization